The HT-1000R is a variable 3-knife trimmer designed primarily for small to medium production runs. Thanks to its uniquely designed mechanisms, it can individually handle and finish books even when each one differs in size and thickness. Create a smart binding system by integrating the HT-1000R in line with binders to increase efficiency. The R in HT-1000R stands for redesign. Compared to the previous model, the HT-1000V, the exterior and control panel design have been completely overhauled, improving operation visibility and user-friendliness. Simply enter the finish size on the enlarged 15-inch control panel, and the changeover is carried out automatically. Using an optional code reader, jobs and finish sizes can be changed automatically. Significantly reduced changeover time, achieving optimal efficiency for the era of high-mix, low-volume production. The HT-1000R offers a maximum output of 1000 cycles per hour, providing reliable performance even in high-volume environments. If the thickness falls within the specified range, multiple books can be stacked and cut together, significantly improving productivity. No need to replace cutting plates mid-run, it handles books of varying sizes and thicknesses non-stop. The foredge and the top-bottom trimming sections are separate, allowing one to start changing over for the next book while the other one is still trimming. This allows book of one jobs of different sizes to be handled efficiently. The HT-1000R offers productivity equivalent to our flagship perfect binder, the iCE binder BQ500, making it ideal for inline connection. BQ500 can easily bind books with varying thicknesses, allowing you to maximize the capabilities of the HT-1000R. Additionally, by combining with various finishing machines upstream, you can create a smart binding system for an efficient workflow. Furthermore, by integrating with iCE Link, you can monitor and manage these systems through the cloud. Perform the changeover via the touch panel or code reader. Using a code reader, simply print dimension information, job memory numbers, or iCE Link info as barcodes on the book to automatically perform changeovers. Books are then transported to the cutting section, where they are cut along the foredge and top-bottom in that order. While measuring the thickness, the book is held down by the press plate and trimmed along the foredge. After foredge trimming, books move to the next section for top-bottom trimming. While the top-bottom section is trimming, the foredge trimming section prepares for the next book. After cutting, silicone is applied to the back of the blade to prevent adhesion. Trimmed books are delivered via conveyor. Stacking conveyor efficiently creates a pile of finished books.